welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be moisturizing our hair. So right here I started with my water spray in a bottle, just like that. Gonna massage that in right there, and again we'll go in with our Mirror Magical hair butter. So if you haven't checked out my video on hair butter, do well. I'm going to leave the video link on the description box, so do well to go check it out. So we're using Mirror Magical hair butter for this hair moisturizing routine today. So what is hair moisturizing? Hair moisturizing is the process of applying a substance, typically a cream, oil or mask, to the hair to help retain moisture, reduce dryness and protect against environmental stressors. So let's dive in back to a process of applying this moisturizing this hair. So right here I'm using the LCO method. Take note please, I'm not using the LOC method. The LCO method simply stands for liquid, cream and oils, while the LOC method stands for liquid, oil and cream. But today I'm using the LCO method, which is liquid. Like you just saw in this video, I went in with my liquid, my cream, which is my Mirror Magical hair butter, then the last one that we're going to be using, the oil. So what are the benefits of moisturizing your hair? The number one benefit of actually moisturizing your hair or keeping your hair moisturized is that it hydrates and softens your hair. Moisturizing helps to lock in moisture, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth and manageable. So the number two benefit, let's dive in, is it helps reduce dryness and brittleness on your hair. So moisturizing your hair helps to soothe and calm dry, brittle hair, reducing the risk of hair breakage. So as you can see right now, I'm just massaging in the Mirror Magical hair butter from the back to the front, left and right, and just like that we are just massaging, making sure that it's absorbed totally. You can't see the cream on top, it's entering the hair. So the number three benefit of actually moisturizing your hair is that it helps protect against environmental stressors. Yeah, it helps protect against environmental stressors. See, this thing cannot be overemphasized. So what are environmental stressors? Environmental stressors like the wind, the sun, dust. So moisturizing your hair help protect your hair against wind, sun, dry hair and other environmental stressors. So right here I'm just applying the Mirror hair growth oil to seal in this process. Like I said, we're using the LCO method. So after going in with my liquid, I went in with my cream, then now I'm applying my oil to the hair. I'm going to be massaging the oil in to help us stimulate new growth for the hair and also help the hair remain shining and very manageable. So the number four benefit of applying or moisturizing your hair is that it improves the hair elasticity. It improves the hair elasticity. It helps to improve the hair elasticity, reducing the appearance of split end and breakage. When you keep to this routine of moisturizing your hair, some people have this habit of, after I've done my braid, I've done my mini twist, till any cream or oil or butter will enter that hair again. It is when they actually take down that old hairstyle after washing their hair before liquid and oil or cream will enter their hair. That's not nice. It's not the nuanced. is not healthy for your hair. So after making your hair for like, let's say 3 days ago, 4 days later, do well to moisturize your hair. Apply cream, apply oil. See, your hair products are not meant for only when you've taken down your old hairstyle. When your hair is in a protective style, braid, no need cornrows, do well to moisturize your hair. So the number 5 benefit of um moisturizing your hair is that it enhances your hair. It makes it look shinier and lusher. It helps to leave your hair looking healthy, shining and very vibrant. Nobody will know that this hair is been here for like a week, 2 weeks or a month. Why? Because you keep to a routine of moisturizing your hair over and over and over. So I want to say thank you to my subscribers. Thank you. And if you are new, this is your first time of coming across my video, thank you so much for watching. Do well to like, subscribe and leave us a question or a comment. Bye. See you in another video.